afternoon mga palangga! Good afternoon! Nagmamadali ako kasi tinawagan ako ng deputy manager ko na kailangan nila ng staff. Kasi just emergency. I cannot tell you the problem. So, I need to get ready. I don't like unexpected call or like, because I'm not a Girl Scout. I need to have like plenty of time for myself to be psyched up that you are working today, because today I'm supposed not to work. Hi, but it's okay. Ano bang gagawin ko na yun ang problema ko? Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. So my kilay is already done. So magbibihis na lang ako. Ang iisipin ko na lang mga palangga, this is another money for Christmas. Kasi mostly sa January yung family ko, we have a lot of birthdays. Probably 7 people. So kailangan ko yung pera. That's a Christmas. Extra din ako para may maipadala. I still have 10 minutes to spare. So, I am really hoping that, since I don't have a tripod, I really hope that this Sunday I will have a day off. Because Saturday I did take an extra and today extra and plus my 40 hours. So, I don't think I can do that. And to those people who are wondering, what is my job? My job is a carer, care assistant, caregiver, whatsoever, what you gonna call it. So, I work in residential home. It's purely retirement home, no bedridden, no person in wheelchair. They're all able-bodied. And oo, sabi nila na ang mga caregiver, care assistant is tagapahid ng, or tagapunas. Well, oo, totoo yun. Pero in my job, hindi mo yun ginagawa everyday because they are still able-bodied. You just need to guide them for them to be safe and all sorts. Oo, may mga insidente. I have to admit that. But there's nothing wrong with that. I love my job, and to be a care assistant is something I am proud of. So, salute sa mga caregiver dyan. Ang hirap pala mag-vlog pag walang tripod. So, puntahan natin si Mr. just to say goodbye. Well, for now, I will be home. I'll be home. Look at you two. Mama will miss you. I will see you later, okay? See you later. John is busy. He's doing something in the workshop. Hello? I'm against the light. I'm going. I probably park outside. I don't know. Naglalakad ako mga palangga papunta sa trabaho. Nagpark ako outside. Kasi mostly sa oras na ito, yung car park namin sobrang busy. Well, I could really park my car here, but well, I will get it later. I am home from work. Tatanggalin ko lang yung eye makeup ko kasi mostly talaga pag nagtatrabaho ako, naglalagay ako ng mascara and a little bit of eyeliner. Yun lang yung nilalagay ko. And the rest is just moisturizer, primer, and powder. Oh my God, saan na ba yun? Hindi ko mahanap yung yung remover ko, yung mascara remover ko kasi ito kasi yung ginagamit ko, yung heroin make, and yung remover niya is dapat talaga, nandito pala sa bag ko, nilagay ko kanina. Here it is, paubos na siya. So, let's come down and remove my makeup. Hello, Sir John!
What's the news?
Official milk drink of British athletics.
Oh, it's not. Hi mga palangga! So, another shift done and 2 more shift to do and I'll be done with this week. Maaga ako nakauwi. Well, hindi naman maaga. Ano ba? Bakit ba? Hindi naman maaga. Yung oras dito is 10 to 4 na ng hapon. Pero among all the shift, ito yung pinakamaaga ko. 7:30 to 3:30 ako matatapos. So, anyway, nandito ako sa, ano bang tawag nito? Woodshed. Yung old woodshed namin. Kukuha lang ako ng kahoy kasi sisilihan ko yung, ano namin, yung wood burner. Kasi sobrang lamig sa loob. Kasi wala kasi si Jan dito. Si Jan may trabaho and he will be home at probably 6 o'clock in the afternoon with the dogs. He is with the girls. Freezing. One job done. Nalight ko na yung fire. And dito mga palangga is another job to do. I don't know if you could see it. It's so dark but may mga i-iron ako. And now, magluluto muna ako ng tuna pasta bake. Kasi ito, napuspon to nung tinawagan ako ng deputy manager ko. So, ngayon, matutuloy na siya. Gagamit ako ng sauce. And first time ko tong gamitin. I hope it's good. And we will have a garlic bread with it. Ito yung ginagawa ko mga palangga. Pag walang trabaho, gawaing bahay talaga yung inaatupag ko, yung mga dapat gawin, pagpaplansya, paglilinis, mga ganong gawain. So, sa mga taong nagtatanong dyan kung paano ko ba daw minamanage yung oras ko dahil busy ako sa trabaho, pinaplano ko talaga. Time management ang sikreto. Kaya, kahit busy ako sa trabaho, nakakapag-upload ako, yung mga wife duties ko dito. So, nagagawa ko pa din. Kahit alam ko na minsan yung mga vlog ko, sobrang boring na, paulit-ulit na, kasi wala talaga bahay, trabaho, yun lang talaga, at bihira lang kami lumabas. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na talaga. And anyway, Jan is here. We're just doing something in the laundry room. Ala, uy, ang laki na ng eye bags ko mga palangga at yung eyes ko, sobrang dark na talaga niya. But anyway, hindi ko yan iisipin kasi kung iisipin ko yan, mas lalong mai-stress lang talaga ako kasi ito, sila, lifetime friends ko yan. But anyway, after kong magplansya kanina, nagluto ako. And after kong magluto, naligo ako. Then after kong maligo, naglagay ako ng blackhead removal mask. At ito yung palaging ginagamit ko from EB. And probably some of you nakita na to kasi na-featured ko to sa previous vlog ko. Ito siya. Kayo na ang bahalang mag-pronounce, magbasa dyan kasi hindi ko din yan naiintindihan. Ito lang yung English. But the good thing about this, meron siyang English instruction. And hindi to sponsored ha. Sinasabi ko lang na maganda talaga siya. And almost 1 year ko na tong ginagamit. And so mga palangga, this is it for me today. But before I end this vlog, I just want to answer one question because somebody left or asked me a question why I started speaking in English. So, my simple answer to that is I'm just trying to keep everyone happy, and to do that is sometimes hard. It's very hard to keep up. And I just cannot win because when I start speaking in Tagalog, some people say you should speak in Visaya or in English. And when I start speaking in English, some people say you should speak in Tagalog. And mostly, sa mga nanonotice ko lang, kung I started speaking in English, mostly sa mga Pilipino ha, parang ano talaga sila, uy, yung English mo mali-mali, yung grammar mo mali, yung mga ganyan. And so you cannot blame me for having a wrong grammar. Kasi kahit na yung mga English native speaker, nagkakamali din sila. So, you can't blame me talaga na yung grammar ko mali-mali. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na. And there is no wrong in trying. At least you try. I know you are not perfect, but at least you try. That's the good thing about it. So, yun lang yung masasabi ko. And for sure, in the future, mga palangga, if I have more time, I mean, ito kasi yung sitwasyon. Some people don't understand Tagalog, so that's why I have to put a subtitle. And subtitle is very time-consuming. So, right now, I will try to balance it out 50-50. So, para walang away, 50-50, okay? So, that's it for me today, mga palangga. I will see you in my next video, and bye! Mwah! Mwah! Bye!